If you live in Australia and own a jacuzzi spa with a SmartTub system, you might have to replace it soon because Telstra is stopping its 3G services on June the 30th, 2024, and Optus is following suit in September 2024. So to keep your spa in top shape, you need to upgrade your SmartTub system to the latest LTE model. In this video, I'll walk you through the whole process so you can get your jacuzzi spa up to date and ready to roll. Firstly, ensure that the power is off to your spa. Secondly, look for the equipment bay. Now the equipment bay, just so you know, is below the touchpad, okay? This is the only panel that we need to get access to. So firstly, grab the bottom here, pull it out. Remove it carefully, leave the cable attached. Repeat the same on the other side here. Pull up and out. It's very simple, and just put it here, leave the cable as is. Next step is removing the main control panel. The corner panels have been removed, giving access to remove this. Now, I'm going to pull out from the bottom gently, then you're going to lift up and then out because it's held in by clips up the top here. So, as so, out, up, and then down like that. On this model of jacuzzi, your SmartTub is located behind the heat-resistant packaging right here. So simply pull away, and this is what we're looking for right here. Next step is to unplug these two connections. They're held in by tabs here. You just simply push on one side and they pop out. Very simple. Next step is to grab a Phillips head screwdriver. You can use a drill or you can use a hand tool, okay? And you just pop in, there's two screws here, right? One here and one here. So to remove, pop that in, take the screws off, and there you go, off she comes. Next step is to grab your replacement version here and just replace it in exactly the same position that the first one was in. So to do that, just pop it up into the spot locating the screws, and you're gonna pop that in there and do that up there. Now, with your replacement SmartTub in place and position ready to go, you simply just want to grab these two connections here and you want to clip them back in. Now, they're suited to size. You cannot make a mistake here. They will only pop into the ones that designated, okay? With this part complete, next step is to turn the power back on to your spa. Once your spa is back on, you can simply grab your cell phone that is already connected to the spa, and what you want to do is scan this barcode here. This barcode here resembles the serial number for this unit SmartTub. So go onto your app, and then highlight on here, and reconnect. Next step is to put everything back together. So what you do is just take this packaging here and you place that back there for the heat resistance. Next, grab your main panel carefully, reverse around here, being careful of the cable. Congratulations, your Jacuzzi Spa SmartTub system should be up and running. If you have any questions or need assistance in any way, please contact us at Spa World. Thanks for watching.